Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300, and if you guys need to find the relay for the fuel injector, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. It actually, guys, the same for 3.6, the V8 engine as well. We'll explain where the relay is, how to test the relay, and also if you replace the relay and you still have problems, we'll explain what else could be causing problems with the fuel injector. So make sure to stand till the end today. We'll share very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to, guys, buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So specifically right here we have a Chrysler 3.6 engine. This is the VVT engine. Now, very easy to work on, by the way, but we'll be making videos about common problems, how to fix pretty much anything. We'll be taking the whole engine apart all the way to the last piston, guys, show you how to fix pretty much anything. This is the fuse box that we'll be working on now. The fuel injector relay, guys. In order to get to it, you have two things that you need to squish and pull up at the same time. Okay, and the lid will come out. Now, what do we need to check? You have one relay, guys, okay, that's not called fuel injector relay. It's actually called ASD relay. We're talking about that relay right here. The purpose of that relay, guys, okay, we have a special video that explains what is ASD relay on Dodge Chrysler, but if you don't know, guys, okay, we'll just share a little bit of the information because we have a very detailed video, but practically it's fuel and ignition management, and this is very important relay. Without it, your engine most likely will not run, guys. This is the relay. If you need to buy replacement one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from, and you can get it at a really good price. Something else, if you guys, okay, need to test it or find out if it's good or bad, we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test car relays. Check it out, and it can save you quite a bit of trouble. And if your fuel injector still do not work, okay, we have a special video how to replace fuel injectors, why Chrysler 300 cranks but does not start, because fuel injectors, if they don't work, it will not start, but it could be other things as well. So make sure you watch the video. It will be on our channel and it will teach you what else could be causing that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.